I the home of tricks. Updates be me no me and sabi add drop ya mpese checking it out. Na ye be di kan akasa fa pi ho. Pi dey say even kura project no ni ma tokens ne dey e we so timi to bi gu onom because a potential tokens are senior a good future. Pi add drop important update bi a say o project we mu a e wo so ye fast na utimi e complete anya sa wa so betimi e hye because e can one of the criteria no for the second migration ho. Nti e so taking it serious. Nti wo dia ne say obebo menu button so. Wo bo so na say do ba ya no abo net no so nti uskru badan a wo hwe ya behu mainnet checklist na wabo so obadan wa ba behu confirm your pi wallet wo de no bo se color no enye green ti e ba ne sa bebo so nti bo so na se do ba ya o pass phrase no na wa paste ni wo ha say na wa confirm nti bo se e beba say na is on be send code akọ email num na wakọ honom na wakọ confirm nti ha say no wo behu verify your migration na wabo so. If it is that right, remember verification successful. They say tokens na aka no on be migrating kama akọ accounts no umpe we na apede e ben senior don't waste time on this. Send be ya on submit me account tokens. And I win him say ne why no why mistake a obetumi abo made a mistake so no follow on screen instructions no na the aye correction no. The next update is about EFS project no. Oma drop update via we new user kra na also tima wani eje. Okay, EFS for updates normal drop now. I say time short, please participate as soon as possible. Until we hear I say airdrop is coming. Only 1 day left. I say participation is simple and easy. Either you true so my video if I kwanya obetumi afa so ayo registration. Registration is very easy. Say I confuse you also hear say video no. Even kura no major how to register no video description na say be ya we new member obetumi join because how or can be e wa say. I say to take care of new users, new registered users do not need to sign in for 10 consecutive days. From now on, they only need to sign in continuously from the date of registration until May 31st to participate in this super airdrop event. There is a 31st enye no senior ubetumi register bi. Now the next update and I say update is about the BLUM project. Nti uhe post omo drop ye be 3 days ago or say BLUM is launching this June. Senior akra se mekan ne aka no ne ehia ne se omo se ombe lanche nti uhwe omo snapshot na o se early June nti project no uwu mu a ne ma na watete afa ho na nsen yete se omo ache CEO no atum ne ekeka ho so far as the project na di agora be duru sa mmiri no ehu hia se yijae kakra ewu me o se no because sika sem bi anim nti wo dia ne se everyday bia no obe check in because omo se eno so very important nti wo check in everyday na wo claim points ne kakra nti oba project no mu a claim ne check in e also ye na e wo ha ise nti se me bo green button so abe se e be check in me wia na ma bo claim na e wo ase ise no e ne ma fa me na claim e na wo hwe min points na ye minimum bi e wo so ye ama ye video about data bit me hwe sa video no hu kwan ya so bit me afa so na wanya bi so easily obetumi abo n no so na tax nkitingiti binum so ha ya watumi aye senior latter party dey also fan serious e be ya na ma pa free ma so betumi enjoy any update bi e be drop e high tech the home of tricks.